Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to use OBS as camera source on Discord, right? It's very easy. You have to first of all download OBS Studio. It's completely free, right? So I will just show you. Just go to this website. Depending upon your operating system or requirements, you can just choose this. So if I just click on Windows, it will get downloaded here, right? So it's easy. You can just install the OBS, right? Once you install the OBS, it will show here like this in your desktop. Now we will just open our Discord. So let's open the Discord. Once you open the Discord, you have to just go to the user setting. Once you go to the user setting, scroll it to the little bit down, and here you will find an option under app settings, voice and video, right? Just click over there. Now here, just go to the video section, right? This is a video settings. Once you come here, you will get this option of camera. Just click over here and you will get this option of OBS virtual camera. So if I just select this, you can say automatically it got selected, right? So you don't need to save, it is saved right now. So now you can use OBS studio camera or virtual camera, right? I hope you found this video very useful. If you did, subscribe.